Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use exit log for Counter-Strike 2 and the best settings to lower your ping, reduce packet loss, and improve overall game performance. So, if you want to try exit log with a 1-year 50% discount, I have a link in the description where you can sign up. So, let's get started. First, you have to open your exit log and log into your account. Once you're in the application, click on the connection tab and search for the Counter-Strike. And you will be redirected into another section where the server is located. Then you just have to click the choose a region. Then it will be redirected here. And for the best results, keep the route selection on automatic. We have manual, but you have to choose the automatic for the best results. And exit log recommend testing both automatic and manual routing, but most players get the best stability with the automatic mode. Then since I prefer this, I prefer the Asia, and then the server will be set into automatic, and we have to click the advanced settings, and it will enable multipath routing to improve connection stability and reduce packet loss. During matches, exit log's multi-routing feature is designed to maintain a more consistent connection when the network congestion occurs. And for the route settings, we have to click the TCP routes into 0 and then the UDP routes into 4. And then this is the time the route optimization will select into high and the multipath routing will be enabled. And after applying the routes, click the apply routes and wait for the exit log to optimize. And this is the time that you can optimize the Counter-Strike 2 for maximum FPS. Launch the Counter-Strike and make sure you're playing in a full screen mode with VSync disabled. Enabled NBDA reflects on AMD anti-lag if your graphics and card supports it. Most competitive players also use low graphics settings to maximize FPS and reduce input delay. For launch options, you can use no bid, high tick rate 128. These settings can help improve startup times and overall responsiveness. And once everything is configured, launch a match and monitor your ping, packet loss, and game performance. Keep in mind that exit log won't magically give you more GPU power, but it can improve smoothness by reducing routing issues, lag spikes, and network-related stuttering. That's it. You should now have a more stable connection and smoother CS2 experience. If the video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more gaming guides, optimization tutorials, and setup videos. And don't forget, if you want to try Exit Log with a 1-year 50% discount, check out and sign up to the link in the description below. And that's it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.